Hello Year 1, welcome to your maths lesson for Friday the 22nd of January. We are continuing to learn about our number bonds to make 10 today. Now before we get started we're going to practice those counting in 2s, 5s and 10s again. So let's have a go on your own when the circle comes up to count in 2s. Fantastic. And 5s? Are you ready to say those numbers when they have the circle around them? Well done. And the last one is our 10s. Here we go. Well done. Okay, so let's have a look at what a number bond is again. Number bonds are a pair of numbers that add up to a certain number. Today we are looking at the number bonds that add up to make 10. So we're going to go back over what our number bonds to 10 are, and then you're going to have a go at an activity. So here is our number bond rainbow. The number bond rainbow is a good way of showing both of the number sentences that make 10, because we can say 0 and we can follow the rainbow around 0 and 10, or we can go backwards and say 10 add 0, 1 add 9, 9 add 1, 2 add 8, 8 add 2, 3 add 7, 7 add 3, 4 add 6, 6 add 4, or we've got 5 add 5 or 5 add 5. So there's all the ways of making our number bonds to 10. So let's have a look. Here's our number sentence. We know that we need the addition sign because we're adding. We've got the equals sign that tells us our total. Our total is going to be 10 because we're making number bonds to 10. And the first one we've got here is 10. What am I adding to 10? What is the number that you pair with 10 to make 10? Well done, it's 0. So if we were flipping we need to flip the number sentence around to change these numbers to show us the other number bond to 10. So what's going to be the number that we put with 0 to make 10? 10. Fantastic. So we've got 10 add 0 equals 10. 0 add 10 equals 10. Let's have a look at another one. We've got 1. What am I going to be adding to 1 to get to 10? How many do we need to add to 1 to get to 10? What's the number bond? 1 and 9. Well done. So if it's 1 and 9, it's going to be 9 and 1, because we're flipping those numbers. So we're keeping the same numbers, they're just switching boxes. So we've got 2 and what works with 2? What do we add to 2 to get to 10? If we had 2, how many fingers have I got hold down at the minute? You can count that way, or you can count in your head, or you might have 10 objects. So 2 add 8 equals 10. Fantastic. So then if we swap it round, it would be 8 add 2. Well done. So we've got 3 and 7. So 3 add 7 equals 10, which means when we flip it over, it's 7 add 3 equals 10. This time we've got 4. What goes with 4 to make 10? You can remember what goes with 4 to make 10. It's 6. So that means if we had 6, it would be 6 and add 4 equals 10. And then we've got 5 add 5. And I've only done it once because it will look exactly the same when you swap it round because it's the same numbers. 5 add 5 equals 10. So today, the number bond rainbow shows you all the number bonds to make 10. Complete the number sentences using the number bonds 10. So underneath your number bond rainbow, I want you to write all of the number bonds that you can think of that make 10 using the number bond rainbow. So you might want to start by colouring in your number bond rainbow so that you can see the different colours. So you might have a red and then an orange, yellow, green, blue, and a purple. Okay, and that would help you see our number bonds to 10. Now on this side, you're going to be starting with these numbers. So you're going to do 0, add 10, 1 add 9, 2 add 8, 3 add 7, 6 add 4, and 5 add 5. And then on this side, you're starting with the numbers at in this cloud at the bottom. So then you're starting 10 add 0, 9 add 1. Okay, and then you should have all of the number bonds written down to help you learn those number bonds to 10. Now, if you would like to have another thing to do today, we have got a number bond dominoes to play. You might play it with your brother or sister, you might play it with your mum and dad. Now, these are using pictures, not the written numeral. So if you saw a 1 sheep, you would match it up with 9 goats, like it is here. So you'd put 1 sheep and 9 goats next to each other. If you found 5 horses, you would need to find another 5 horses or another 5 animals to make 10. If you had a 0, like a blank one, you'd be finding a 10 pigs. Okay, so you're matching up your dominoes to make 10. Okay, so that might be a nice game for you to play today. Okay, I hope you have fun with that, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.